GIS and your local government. This presentation describes GIS and how it can be used in local governments. What is GIS and what is it used for? GIS is a geographic information system. It's a system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage, and present all types of spatial or geographic data. It can be used for real estate site selection, rerouting traffic, evacuation planning, conservation, and natural resource extraction. Making correct decisions about location is critical to the success of municipalities on the local level as well as the state and national level. Mapping the infrastructure. GIS can be used to support the management of the infrastructure of a government. It can help with the maintenance of bridges, roads, expressways, help with finding access points to mass transit, discover where the flood tables are, instantly devise evacuation routes in a crisis, among many other features. GIS is used to keep communities safe. It's used in the dispatching of police officers, firefighters, and EMS providers quickly and efficiently. Finding out where hydrants, water supply lines, gas lines in a natural disaster or emergency situation is vital. GIS can be used to help define where all of these pieces are located and how to get to them. Through the use of GIS, local fire departments have access to fire hydrant locations. By sharing this infrastructure data between government departments, hydrants can be inspected and maintained in the event of emergencies. Landscape and road crews will be able to keep hydrants clear from overgrowth, snow, or debris for easy accessibility. This work used to be done by hand from staffers in one department and shared with another department. Now, thanks to an app built by public safety senior GIS developer Paul Woodruff, everything is electronic. GIS is also used for crisis planning.
My name is Dr. Carol Smith, and I am the Commissioner of Health and Mental Health for Ulster County. The term preparedness means the state of being ready. For us as a county and as a community, we need to be ready for both natural and man-made disasters. By natural disaster, we mean hurricanes, floods, tornadoes, blizzards. By man-made disaster, we mean a bioterrorism attack or a chemical spill. Over the last several decades, we in Ulster County have experienced several natural disasters. As a state and as a nation, we have lived through the horror of bioterrorist and terrorist attacks.
Information from GIS data can be used to help keep us prepared. During Katrina, many lives were lost because it was too difficult to find where some of the marginalized citizens of a community were. The elderly, disabled citizens, mental health clients, group homes and residents, hospice care, these places all need to be readily available. Through GIS, these locations can be mapped and they could be accessed much quicker. GIS is also used for parks and recreation to find out what's going on in a community. There's an app that's also available at the Ulster County site is called Reconnect. It's an interactive program to help find great outdoor and recreational resources. Having access to local parks and recreations is vital to a community. In addition, finding out where local businesses are, restaurants, places of worship, business, the Office of Economic Development, uses quite a bit of GIS data in an effort to make sure development can be profitable in the county. GIS and your local government. Where next? Some additional places that we might use GIS data and program would be ADA assessments, architecture, bridge design, civil engineering, land surveying, landscape architecture, park and trail design, pavement assessment and design, engineering, transportation engineering, wastewater collection and treatment, water distribution and treatment. There are many other opportunities to use GIS to help run governments much more efficiently. Most of this data is available free. There are also programs that are available for developers and department managers alike. GIS is an incredible way to help use data that's shared between different departments efficiently and effectively.